Class 7 students, how are you? Today I am going to discuss moral science, evangelization for life, class 7. Okay, already chapter 1 I have finished, and today I am going to start chapter 2. Okay, uh, service, social service. Okay, which type of social service is asking here? I am going to discuss. Social service is most important thing for everybody. Okay, social service, we should do social service. Okay, we should help the nearby people or any people who is in great danger or who is really requirement for your help. Okay, we should help him. Okay, I am going to launch this video. Our chapter name is social service. Okay, I think you are unable to see it. I am going to enlarge the screen. Okay, I think you can see it very well. Okay, so I am going to start. Social service goes beyond the call of our duty. Okay, suppose someone, so we should look beyond the four walls of our homes and serve the poor and the needy. We should turn to the world and see where your help and service are required. In a country like ours, the scope to do social service very fast. A majority of the population lives below the poverty line. Problem of food, shelter, and education and health are many. We know very well. Okay, every people are not rich, some is poor and some is rich. We should, it is our duty to help the poor and needy people. Okay, and whenever you require, whenever someone is so someone is telling you for help, then it is our duty to help them. Okay, according to call. We should give the service as per the requirement. Okay, we know very well many people are facing lots of problem for poverty. They don't have food, shelter, and education. We should help them. Okay, two, we can't solve all the this problem. We can do something in our little personal manner by giving help where it is needed. As students, we do not have any burden of family responsibility, so we can play an effective role in many ways. We cannot change the all system. We cannot help the more than 1,30,000. We cannot help all people, but we cannot remove the poverty of the people, but we can help. We can help little. Okay, we can little help to the people. Okay, by our little effort. Okay, removing of poverty, it is not in our hand, but little by giving help of some food, we can help them. So we know very well India is a land of village. India is a land of village. India is a land of village. We suffer from utter neglect and underdevelopment. The village folks are still illiterate. Okay, many educational institutions have adopted villages for speed of literacy. Okay, the idea has gained popularity these days. We know very well illiterate person is the number of we know very well number of illiterate person is continuously growing in our society, but we cannot remove it. Okay, but we can help it. We can speed the literacy. We can give little education to the illiterate people. Okay, who is really wanted it. Okay, in this scheme, student visit villages every week of month. There are many schemes are run by the government for the benefit of the villagers and poor people, especially in the village area. Okay, especially in the village focus village areas. Okay, and many educational institute who have adopted villagers for the speed of literacy. They are working hard for the people, for the benefit of the people, but it is our duty to help them. Okay, it is our duty to help them. And after that, next para is given. I think you can see it. The work under the supervision of their teachers or a member of some charitable organization. Lesson on literacy and hygiene are imparted to the children and adults. They even make annual monetary contribution to install a tube or buy a television set for the rural center. This way, the student community renders valuable service towards self-help and self-reliance. Some villages have benefited a lot of this scheme. Government has started many types of schemes for the development of the rural people. They started the education policy. They started house making facility. They started many types of facility, but villagers are not getting directly this benefit. So it is our duty to help the villagers according to the his situation. Okay. They get the benefit for the installation of tube well. Okay, you know very well there is no facility of tube well in the village area. They usually use well, and they drink the well of water. They drink well water. Okay, in village area, but it is they depend on the government. Those of us who cannot get associated with any village social work, they can do a similar work. It means what? Those of us who cannot get associated with any village social work, they can do a similar work in the slum area of our neighborhood. People in these slums live a life of extreme hardship. We can form a group with our friends and classmates close by and start a evening class for the poor children and who cannot afford to go to school, beside reaching them how to read. Now we are learning in very big school, and we are getting very costly education, but after getting costly education, uh, I have built my, I have make my career lucid. It is our duty to help the poor and needy people. It is our duty to form a small group and give give the education to the people, especially in village area. Okay, it is our duty. You can see this in the picture that there is a boy who is giving education. A small boy like you, he is giving education to the village people. Okay, in this way it is our duty to help the village people or poor and needy people, especially people in these slums, like live a life of extreme hardship. Okay, it is our duty to make a group with our friends. Okay, and classmates. There are many classmates in your school. Okay, it is our duty to make a it is your duty to make a group with your friends and classmates. Okay, and give start a evening class for him. Okay, so we can see in the picture. Okay, now in next page we can see it. I think you can see it. write and do simple education. We could make them aware. I think you can see it. Yes, you can see it. We could make them aware of this facility that government provides to public for the vaccination and free medical care. In especially rural area, you see that many van comes and give the vaccine and give the medical facility to the poor and needy people. We can tell them about health and hygiene. Many charitable and welfare organizations who look after the needs of the aged and disabled. We can become member of such organization and get our work allotted and follow it the selfishness and selflessness and see that your efforts being cheered to some weary heart. There are many charitable organizations is working in the working for the benefit of the rural people. We should join this organization and we should help the needy and poor people. Okay. Lord Buddha. Lord Buddha, you know the story of Lord Buddha, his God, his Lord. He always thinks about the benefit of the people. He doesn't think about his about his about himself. When he was the prince of Kapilvastu, was surrounded by all the good things of material comfort, he gave up his life of luxury to seek the true meaning of existence. With the realization of truth, he dedicated his life to the service of others. He knows very well in this world nothing is kept. He was finding the truth. What is truth? Okay. So he left the home and he went in the jungle, means forest, and he made made the plan. He will he will always serve the society and he will give he will help the people. Okay. We can relieve the loneliness of some old person by taking I think you are unable to see it. Okay. You can see it very well. Good. We can relieve the loneliness of some old person by making talking to them and fetching things that they need. There are many people, they don't have food, fire and rest. They don't have shelter. They don't have comfortable. They don't have luxury facilities. It is our duty to help them. Okay. The old look forward to the company of the young and children. We can give them company and talk about the adventures in school and ask them to narrate some incident of their life. These small gestures will help make them immensely happy. We know very well poor people is facing lots of problem in his life. Uh, they are hungry. They don't have shelter. Okay, so we should help the poor and needy people. We should give the food. We should give the clothes. Okay, and we cannot remove their poverty. Okay, but we can give the little effort for him. Okay, we can we can narrate a story for him. There are people who have lost their vision or hearing. There are people who have lost their vision or hearing. We can think of some ways to help them whenever an occasion arises. Whenever any occasion arises, or whenever any big occasion, we can think about him in different ways. Mentally or physically different people always need our encouragement and support, especially who mentally and physically different people. Okay, we should also encourage him, we should also help them who is facing problem from mental and physical. The informal and friendly approach of the young people can be very beneficial for them. It means what? The informal and friendly approach to the young people can be very beneficial for them, because they have positive attitude. They can help the people who is in great danger, who is facing lots of problem. They need food and rest. There are many ways to show your kindness. Selfless social work will give our lives a purpose. It will definitely give it will definitely give you the purpose of your life. Okay, and read many of our fellow men from bondage. Many martyrs, shunt and patriots sacrificed their lives in order to lessen the suffering of the world. You know very well, many sons and many patriots sacrificed their life. Many big sons, many patriots sacrificed their life. They are unlimited. We cannot count in our fingers. Okay, they have given their life for the benefit of the people. Okay, and they have proved it. So in this video, I have finished chapter 2, and in next video I will discuss the next chapter. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to share and subscribe this channel.